So this is a leaf of your bryophyllum that we have discussed, that they are having buds. They are the small buds, you can see. See, you just see. So these are the small buds which are rise like this, you can see. So buds are originated into another leaves, and it's a whorl of leaves, WHORL, whorl, a group of leaves. Okay, so this is the one part of the vegetative propagation. Today we will discuss about the sexual reproduction in plants. This process is called pollination. So we will cut the different parts. You can see, come closer. So this is the flower. Its name is Rosa hibiscus. Rosa hibiscus. So what we call to these are petals or sepals? Yes. These are petals. So counted 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 are there. Yes. 1. Let me check. 2. This is your third one. This is your fourth. And this is your fifth one. 5 are there.
Yes.
Now what you have seen. This is the fertilization sac or reproductive part where reproduction takes place. Which kind of reproduction takes place in this flower? Sexual reproduction. This is the flower which is having male as well as female hormones. Stigma. See, say.
Stigma.
This is your style. And this one sac. This is the size. Ovary. So these were petals, and there are 2 kinds of sepals, you can see, right?
Yes.
So these are separated one. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 is already plucked. 5, 6,
7.
and 1 has lost. Total 8. Right? So these are also sepals. They are joined. So we will cut from one side and remove it. So it should not be. See, it's in a joint.
Yes, ma'am.
Sepals. These are
Sepals.
These are
Petals.
So from where I hold this flower, this is peduncle. Okay,
Yes.
peduncle. So remove this one parts. This is, see, this is the male hormone. Anther, filament. This yellowish part is called
Anther.
and this is
Filament.
you can see. This is the group of male hormones. You can see in this picture. See, anther is there. So they have described filament. So whole it is called. Stamen is the male reproductive part in flower. Is this clear? What is the name?
Stamen.
So remove this all. During dispersal of wind, animal and water pollination, these pollen grains are dispersed through here and enters in this stigma. It receives all these pollen grains, this yellow one part. It's fallen over there and then enter in this tube. This is called style, which allow to enter in the ovary. Sac is like this. We will see. Just hold it. What we are going to observe that, see, this is the main, this is the stigma, dark part, you just see. Clear?
Yes.
This is your hypothalamus. See, this part is like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I removed, you can see, this is ovary. Can you see this? This is
Yes, ma'am.
ovary. So these are the ovules. Ovules are the eggs. Single egg is called ova. And these are in a pairs. So these are ovule. Let me check. It's internal part. We are going to just burst this ovary. See, See, these are the small, small, tiny, tiny ovules. You can see in the pairs. See, it's in a pairs. See, these are in this structure. They are in a pairs. And exactly position is like this. Show. See, हाथ से निकाल के देख लो, निकालो. Here reproduction takes place. Fertilization takes place in this ovary where the ovules are there. So this is the part, and this lower one part is called receptacle. That is called
Spectacle.
receptacle. This is
Spectacle.
receptacle. This is receptacle. And over which it stands, this is hypothalamus. What we call
Hypothalamus.
And when you just remove this, you just see the white stalk. See this. This is the style, which was connected with this to the ovary. It's internally like this. It's outer coverage. So this is about your dissection of flower under sexual reproduction, and the process is pollination. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am.